baseball team noted for its dynamic presence in the game, the Miami Marlins, served as the inspiration for the colorway of this specific version of the Air Max 270. Using a color scheme that frequently evokes the lively and tropical atmosphere of Miami, the shoe combines teal, black, and vivid orange accents to provide a visually arresting effect. These design components not only honor the team's colors but also perfectly convey Miami's vibrant and dynamic vibe. Offering unmatched comfort and cushioning for daily wear, the huge 270-degree air unit in the heel highlights the Air Max 270's unique shape. Fans of the Miami Marlins and sneakerheads alike find the Nike Air Max 270 to be a flexible option in addition to being aesthetically pleasing. With airy mesh uppers for better ventilation and a tight, supportive fit, this trainer is designed to be both stylish and useful. The sturdy outsole guarantees stability and traction, so it's appropriate for more than just showing off team spirit. The retail price is $160 US.